All right, once you have all your connectors on and everything ready, you just pump. And you can even do it barefoot, as you guys see me doing it. Okay. Nice. So this works great.
This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
This is VEVOR's air pump kit. Now make sure you take a look at all the boxes because there's going to be different stuff and it might look like trash, but it's actually not. How this is going to work is you're going to line this little center pin. You see this pin right here? That's going to align in the center hole. So you're going to put that in the center hole and just kind of line that up. And then the other two holes, you're going to put your bolts straight down through into the actual pump. All right, then you're going to take your line and you're going to connect it. So it might be a little tough. We might have to do this at another angle here. So the easiest way is probably, going to be hold it straight out and kind of twist it. You can see at the bottom here, we're turning it in. And you can use the tool then that they give you to make it tight. You're just going to have to find the correct size. It's going to be this one, so we're just going to make that tight. Alright, so that was my bad. The one that is up here is going to go with for your gauge. This one that's straight out, this is where you're going to put your line in. So you're going to connect your line into this one. Alright, once you have all your connectors on and everything ready, you just pump. And you can even do it barefoot, as you guys see me doing it. Okay. Nice. So this works great.